Welcome to your comprehensive introduction to Google Ads, the world's most powerful online advertising platform. This guide will transform you from a complete beginner to a confident advertiser, whether you're a small business owner, student, or aspiring marketer. Google Ads is a dynamic platform that allows businesses to target specific audiences through various channels. It operates on a pay-per-click model, ensuring cost-effectiveness. Ads can appear on Google Search, YouTube, partner websites, mobile apps, and more, reaching users precisely when they're searching for related products or services. Google Ads is a versatile platform allowing businesses to advertise across Google's vast network. Operating on a pay-per-click model, it ensures cost-effective targeting. Ads can appear on Google Search, YouTube, partner websites, mobile applications, and Google Maps, reaching potential customers precisely when they're searching for your offerings. Google Ads operates through an auction system. Advertisers bid on keywords, and when users search, an auction determines ad placement. Ad rank, calculated by bid amount and quality score, decides position. High-quality scores lower costs and improve positions, emphasizing ad relevance, expected click-through rate, and landing page experience. Winning ads appear prominently, charging only per click. The Google Ads ecosystem includes the Search Network, where text ads target high-intent customers, and the Display Network, which uses visual ads to build brand awareness. YouTube ads engage viewers with storytelling, while shopping ads showcase product listings, crucial for e-commerce. Each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with your audience effectively. Setting up your Google Ads account is crucial for effective advertising. Start by visiting ads.google.com, click Start Now, and sign in with your Google account. Switch to expert mode for full control, create an account without a campaign, and enter your business details. Verify your email and phone number. Link Google My Business for local campaigns. Creating your Google Ads account is simple and free. Visit ads.google.com, click Start Now, and sign in with your Google account. Switch to expert mode, select Create an account without a campaign, and enter your business details. Verify your email and phone number. Link Google My Business for local campaigns. Google Ads' hierarchical structure is like a marketing filing system. At the account level, manage all campaigns with a single billing method. The campaign level sets daily budgets, geographic targets, and marketing goals. Ad groups organize keywords and ads by theme. Ads and keywords are the visible elements, testing messages to engage audiences effectively. The Winter Sale 2025 campaign targets the United States with a $50 daily budget, aiming to drive online sales. It utilizes the Search Network, focusing on men's jackets. Keywords include men's winter jacket and warm men's coat. 3 ad variations test headlines, directing users to the men's jacket collection landing page. Creating your first campaign involves setting clear objectives and understanding your target audience. Define your budget, select relevant keywords, and craft compelling ad copy. Ensure your landing page aligns with your ad's message to maximize conversions. Monitor performance metrics to refine and optimize your campaign for better results. Choosing the right campaign type is crucial for effective ad reach. Search campaigns target users with high purchase intent through text ads. Display campaigns use visual banners for brand awareness and remarketing. Video campaigns on YouTube engage audiences with storytelling. Common goals include driving website traffic, generating leads, boosting sales, and enhancing brand awareness. Set your daily budget based on business size. $10 to $25 for small, $25 to $100 for growing, and $100 plus for established businesses. Choose a bidding strategy. Maximize clicks for traffic, target cost per acquisition for cost efficiency, or manual cost per click for control. A high-quality score can lower cost per click by 30 to 50%, enhancing cost effectiveness. Analyzing cost per click, CPC, by industry is crucial for setting realistic budgets. Retail and travel often have lower CPCS, while legal services and technology face higher costs due to competition. Factors like keyword specificity and geographic location further influence these averages, impacting your overall advertising strategy. Effective Google Ads campaigns require diligent monitoring and optimization. Utilize analytics tools to track key metrics like clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and return on ad spend. Regularly add negative keywords to refine targeting, and conduct A/B tests to enhance ad performance. Leverage artificial intelligence tools like Performance Max and Smart Bidding for automated optimization across Google properties. Success with Google Ads hinges on continuous monitoring and optimization. Track key metrics like clicks, impressions, click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. Add negative keywords to exclude irrelevant searches. A/B test ad copy to find the best performing variations. Leverage artificial intelligence tools like Performance Max and Smart Bidding for automatic optimization across Google properties. Google Ads connects you with high-intent customers, offering flexibility for any budget. Start with just $5 daily, scaling as results improve. Track return on investment with detailed analytics, ensuring every dollar is well spent. Google's artificial intelligence optimizes campaigns, enhancing audience targeting and cost efficiency. With 3.5 billion daily searches, Google dominates with a 90% market share. Create your Google Ads account at ads.google.com using Expert Mode for full control. Learn through Google's tutorials and Skillshop courses, earning the Google Ads Search certification. Launch your first campaign with a modest budget, focusing on relevant keywords. Monitor weekly, optimize with negative keywords, and scale by exploring advanced features like remarketing and Performance Max campaigns. Harness the power of Google Ads to elevate your business. Begin with small, data-driven campaigns, refining strategies as you learn. Each step, from initial setup to advanced features, builds your expertise. Embrace the digital marketplace and let your business thrive through continuous optimization and strategic growth.